Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, very good.
I'm Sanjeev from VC Media, and we are here to cover this Energy Week at Yashun Week. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome Mr. Harshit Parekh, the Operations Manager. Thank you. And Lavina Vaswani ji from Core EHS Solution Private Limited, Gujarat. And we would like to understand from him as to what are their core values and what are their core competences and what made them prompted to participate in this event.
So we are into providing of multiple level of environment, health and safety services. Our motto is to change the culture of safety across the domain in the industry globally and nationally. We are an 18-year-old company and we have been operating in this industry and we have been catering to all the industry, whether it be oil and gas, construction, pharmaceuticals, etc. The purpose of being here is as we are also into providing multiple digital solutions like software solutions, AR, VR solutions, simulations, then also into 3D animated videos for safety awareness and training purposes. As this section is particularly for digitalization and AI, so we thought that we could give the awareness to all the audience that how safety is important in the cultural transformation and maintaining the discipline across the country for all the working place.
That's good. That's good. So, and what is your operation module?
So we are into different operations basically. So we are into providing safety personnels. So currently we have 800 safety personnel working in Pan India. And also we are into providing trainings with regards to scaffolding.
We have different modules in this. These are like AR, VR module, presentations, animation videos, softwares we have in this.
Yes. And in incident, so what happens is for the safety awareness, what happens is it is recommended to have a better recommendations as well as for training purposes. We create the 3D incident. We recreate the incident in a 3D format, wherein we show the incident, we show the root cause, and then we show the recommendations. So due to which it becomes an impactful training. So these are the digital tools on which it helps the audience to get the impact of the real time rather than having in the virtual world rather than having in the real world. So this is where our picture comes into place. As we have an expertise into safety over 15-18 years, we help the IT sector as well, providing these tools, and all these things are in-house wherein we provide these services. So we provide our services to ONGC, Siemens, sales. Then you can also say that we act as a safety management consultants for safety cultural transformation for Steel Authority India Limited, Bokaro Steel Plant, as well as ISPO Steel Plant, which is a SAIL plant in Burhanpur. So yes, and we are also working with ONGC, etc. So there are multiple.
And so we do provide services overseas as well because we have many clients in overseas also. We do provide trainings, modules in overseas also. And we have our magazines, as I told you, we have our magazines also. So Be Productive as magazines as well. So many more services and many more products we have, like in an induction videos, as I told you. Many things we do.
Right. So
We are in base of our domain is a safety only. Yeah.
safety with respect to all these parameters.
Yes.
Utilities, pharmaceuticals, petrol.
Yes,
Name or domain and
yes. Every industry we already cover in this. Yes.
Right. So going forward, I mean, how do you want to impart on the knowledge to the people? Should they be following the standard rituals that they are currently following, or do they have to follow the AI route or whatever route?
So what we recommend is not only with regards to safety personnel, but each and every individual or the citizen of India or any individual across the globe should have a basic knowledge about safety so that the working culture is different and is precaution and the precautions are taken place. And with regards to IT prospect, why we recommend IT solutions is because it streamlines the complete operations as well as it increases the efficiency on ground level of the actual work which is done rather than taking care of the safety precaution. If the safety culture is there in me, then definitely there won't be any unsafe act in my any of the other activities which I do in my daily life.
Automation through processes.
Yes, sir.
100%.
Yes.
Anything else you want to add with respect to that education of people and the time mindset of the people which needs to change?
Sir, say
Because what I feel is people are too rigid to go. I mean, they say जब होगा तब देखेंगे,
हाँ.
इससे पहले हम
sir,
सोएंगे.
basic is to wear helmet. Sir, मतलब आप देखेंगे तो
Correct.
मतलब helmet is the main safety. लेकिन वो सब सेफ्टी के लिए बिल्कुल खिलवाड़ है सर, टोटली खिलवाड़ सेफ्टी के साथ है. और वी सी हम
So
लोग
pushing people to that kind of an activity is a tedious job as far as I
Correct.
think our country is concerned.
Yes, and also now we will have to accept and we will have to change our mindset that change is the new constant.
राइट सर.
So on behalf of VC Media, I would like to thank you.
Thank you so
And
much.
let's hope that the awareness programs, the various
Yes, sir. Yeah.
training program that you are conducting brings about the real change in the mindset, and India becomes a more secure and
Right, sir.
nice place to work on.
Each and every person should be. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.